Hello guys, welcome to the Pro Traders Academy YouTube channel where we show you how to stay profitable in the forex business and how to avoid the scams in the forex industry. Now this series is titled The Forex Scams. My name is Uncle Clint. I'm a Pro Trader Academy mentor and a coach. I'm also the founder of the Pro Trader Academy. We are here to uncover some of the things that you take for granted in this forex business, especially for a forex newbie. All right, the series is called the Forex Scams. The reason is because there's so many ways you can lose your money in this industry, and one of the ways is through the various scams that exist in this industry. There's a lot of money in this industry, and you can easily lose your money and add to the complete circulation of $5.3 trillion in this market. Now, this particular one is titled Account Managers, aka Master Traders. Yes, we have in this industry the people we call account managers, or some of them are called master traders. Now they will promise you all sort of things. You're going to be told things like you're going to get 40% return a month. Some will give you maybe a daily return. They will tell you 2% a day or 5% a day and stuff like that. Now the truth is this. We're not saying that you can't make those kind of returns in the forex market. You can make 2% a day. You can even make 10% return in your account a day. You can even make 20% return in your account a day, and so on and so forth. But the truth is, there's no consistency in setting unrealistic targets on your account. Let me repeat that. There is no consistency in setting unrealistic targets for yourself in this forex business. It's a business where you have to be patient, take your time, and make your money gradually. Don't be in a hurry to make so much money. Now, the reason why the account managers and the master traders set these targets is they lure you, the beginners, into the business and make it look like it's so juicy that your money is going to grow into some large amount of money in a very short period of time. In other words, setting your mind up the wrong way, setting it up in a way that makes you believe that this is a get rich quick system. Forex is not a get rich quick system. Now, the account managers, some of them do these things deliberately, all right, and some of them actually are pushed into it by the so-called newbies who always ask them, please, can you trade for me? Can you get me a certain return of 20%? And some of them will end up saying, okay, let me just take that money instead of turning it down. And they make you promises which is not very obtainable in this industry. How do I mean? Now, don't get me wrong. I said you can make 10%, you can make 20%, you can make 50% of your money or capital in a day. But the truth is that it's not consistent. Now, let me show you something. If you are targeting to make 10% of your money every single day, 5 days a week, which is when Forex is traded, Monday to Friday, you are going to find that some days the market is not just providing great opportunities for you. So are you going to force the market to give you the 5%? Now, when you try to force that market, most likely it's going to take back what it has given you. And then you'll be down by 10 or 15% that same day you're trying to make the money. Now, the reason why we promote swing trading is because swing trading does not push you so hard. Don't put you on that pressure where you want to make a certain amount of money every single day. Swing trading is where you trade maybe on a weekly basis and of course monthly basis. You have a target, maybe weekly or monthly targets, right? Not daily targets. Now, whenever you hear an account manager who's talking about daily returns and so on and so forth, please run with your money, because your money is going to be used for gambling. Yes, that's the truth. It's gambling. That's what that is. If you're going to consistently expect the market to give you a certain amount of return every single day, you're going to be losing. Now, master trader as well, so known as account managers, they're both the same anyways. They make you look like you're going to be making this money, just like that, and not doing anything. Now, I need to understand something. The brokers also have set up systems like this where they get a lot of people putting so much money, and then they are linked up to a master trader where the trader is going to be trading and their own account, the client account is mirroring the master trader's account. Now, these are two different things. Master traders, the client get to mirror what their trade is doing, while account managers, they might be trading your account directly, all right? Two different things. Master trader, your own account is mirroring their own trade, while account managers, they might be trading your account directly. Either way, they're still trying to trade your money. Now, the account managers, to me, they are actually of different types. There are ones that will be having a monthly or weekly target, right? But anything that exceeds 20% monthly return, trust me, it's a little bit on the high side. This business is a business where you need to take your time, have a good capital, whereby if you're making 20% or even 10% a month, you're still good to go. If you're coming with $200 or $500 and you're hoping that they give you 30-40% return, well, you're exposing that money, because each time you expose your capital that much, remember, you're automatically asking the market, is either you take this 40% or you give me 40% in return. And most likely, the market, when it's not taking 40% from you, it's going to take 50, 60, 70%. Sometimes it takes away the whole capital, and then you say your account was blown. So the account managers who make you promises that they're going to give you high returns are most likely not very professional traders, and they're not going to be able to, hold on to that promise for a long time. But at the end of the day, of course, they make money through your money. They make money through your sign up amount, the whatever sign up amount you guys agreed on, or whenever you even make a certain percentage of income out of that, they take their percentage, and until the day your account gets blown, they don't share the risk with you, because of course the capital still remains yours. But whenever you made money, they share it with you. The master trader on the other side, what they're doing is actually what the brokers love. When about 100 accounts are linked up to a master trader, and the trader is taking accounts maybe up by 10% a week and all that, and then next week brings it back to 0%, like it drops it again by 10 or 20%, it takes it up, brings it up, it's called churning. That's what we call churning. Now, when all these accounts are linked up to one account, and the brokers are making money from all these accounts who are constantly trading, because the so-called clients believe they can't trade, therefore they rely on somebody who believes they can trade better than them, the brokers are smiling, because this newbies who are supposed to be trading that money, who wouldn't have the confidence to trade it, now have handed over that money confidently to some stranger they don't even know in the name of master trader. This master trader makes his profit from all the account that is linked up to him. The brokers also make their money because all these accounts are constantly trading every single day, up and down, up and down. It's called churning. If your money capital was $1,000, this master trader can take it up to $1,200. The next thing it dropped to $800. The next thing it dropped to $600. That means he's now trying to fight to take it back to $800, and then it keeps around that figure. You're not necessarily making money. You might be promised that at the end of the day you should have 40% return in a month or 30% return in a month. You just realize that month in, month out, no proper return on the same capital. Why? Because it's not designed to really make you money. Now, it's not like they can't make you that money, but the desire of the broker is to have the money go up and down, up and down, up and down, so they can always put money in their own pocket, because they make more money when you lose. Don't get it twisted. Brokers make more money when you lose. For every trade you lose, the brokers have a certain percentage of that money that goes into their pocket. So don't get it twisted. Don't think that the money just vanishes into thin air. Brokers take some money out of every money you lose. So their money is not only made through spread and margins and commissions and all that. They also make money through the money you lose. So they will be smiling each time you're losing. So don't think they're here to dash you money, guys. So that's that about account managers and master traders. Please, if you have not watched the other videos, go back and watch them. We have a video in this series, this FOREX scams series, which is titled The Posers. We have the brokers and their scams underscore. We have the network marketers. We have the signal providers. These are various ways people lose money in this industry, and we're here to uncover as many of them as possible. Feel free to also subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below. We want to hear from you. We want to know what you think, and we want to also add more value to our community. If we have added value to your life, share this video, connect with us on various social medias, look for us, Pro Traders Academy, and you'll be glad to be connected with us. Thank you once again. My name is Uncle Clay. I'm glad to have shared this nugget with you. See you in the next video. Cheers.